Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing clear, focused niches, admin, social media, or customer support, so you can market yourself sharply. Next, create a one-page resume and write 3 sample task descriptions that show process and outcome. These act as portfolio substitutes. Once done, set up professional profiles on 2 platforms like Upwork and Online Jobs. PH and optimize headlines and skills. Make sure to add a professional photo and a concise intro that answers who you help and what result you deliver. You now focus on execution, learn practical tools, Gmail, Google Sheets, Canva, Trello, and practice by doing timed tasks. Create 3 demo deliverables, an email triage log, a calendar setup with time blocks, and a social post batch. These show tangible ability. Once those are ready, list them on your profile and add brief explanations of the benefit to clients. Also, ask friends or peers for 1 to 2 short testimonials or reference notes to boost credibility when you have no paid work yet. You finish by applying consistently. Send 10 targeted proposals per week, each with a 1-line hook, 2-3 concrete outcomes, and a short action step. In interviews, speak to process, how you plan, tools you use, and timelines, using 3 prepared answers for common questions. Once hired, confirm scope and deliverables in writing and set check-in times. If you get no replies after 2 weeks, troubleshoot by revising proposals, tightening your intro, swapping one demo for a higher impact sample, and following up within 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.